Work from home request.
Hey, do you have a minute?
Yes, I wanted to talk about tomorrow.
Sure. What's going on?
I need to request work from home. I have some personal things in the morning, but I can work the whole day from home.
Okay, that's fine. Are you able to join meetings online?
Yes, absolutely. I will be available.
Good. Please send me a short email, and I will approve it.
I'll send it right after this.
Great. Take care of your work, and let me know if you need help.
Thank you so much.
Sick leave update.
Hi, how are you feeling today?
Honestly, not so good. I still have a fever and a headache.
That sounds rough. Do you need more sick leave?
Yes, I think I need one more day to rest.
Totally fine. Please focus on getting better.
Thank you. I'll keep checking my phone if anything urgent comes up.
No worries, your health comes first.
I'll update you again tomorrow morning.
Take rest and get well soon.
Team lunch plan.
Good morning, team. I want to plan something fun today.
Oh, what is it?
Let's have a team lunch. It's been a busy week.
That sounds great. Where do you want to go?
I was thinking about a pizza place nearby.
Yes, they have good lunch combos. What time do we go?
Let's leave at 1 p.m. so everyone can finish their morning work. Okay, I'll make a quick reservation.
Client visit preparation.
Team, we have an important client visiting tomorrow.
Okay, what should we prepare first?
Please clean and organize the meeting room. Make sure the projector and speakers are working.
Got it. Should we prepare any documents?
Yes, we need printed copies of the project report and the presentation slides.
I'll print everything today.
Also, check the refreshment table: water, coffee, and snacks.
Sure, I'll take care of that too.
Great. Let's make a good impression.
New employee introduction.
Everyone, please pay attention for a moment.
Yes.
I'd like to introduce our new team member, Anna.
Hi, everyone. I'm happy to join the company.
Welcome, Anna. Nice to meet you.
Anna will be working with the marketing team.
I'm excited to learn and work with all of you.
If you need any help settling in, just let us know.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Let's make her feel welcome.
Office printer problem.
Sir, I need help with the printer. It's not working again.
What problem is it showing this time?
It says paper jam, but I checked and didn't see any stuck paper.
Maybe there's something deeper inside.
Yes, and I also tried restarting it, but it still doesn't work.
Alright, let's call the IT team. They can fix it quickly.
I'll contact them now.
Good. Let me know when it's working again because we need to print some reports.
Sure, I'll update you.
Daily task check-in.
Okay team, it's time for our daily task check-in.
I finished my report, and I sent it to you for review.
Great job.
I'm about 50% done with the slides. I will finish them after lunch.
Sounds good.
I need 1 more hour to complete my task.
No problem. Please update everything before 5 p.m.
Sure. Will do. I'll finish on time.
Great teamwork, everyone.
Salary slip confusion.
Hi, can I ask something about my salary slip?
Of course, what's the issue?
I think the overtime hours are missing. I worked extra last week.
Let me check your record. Yes, it seems like there was a small mistake.
Oh, okay. I was worried.
Don't worry. We'll correct the error and send you a new slip today.
Thank you. I really appreciate the quick help.
Anytime. If you see anything else, just let us know.
Deadline reminder.
Team, I want to remind you about the deadline.
Yes, the project is due tomorrow, right?
Exactly. We need everything completed and checked.
Don't worry. We're almost finished.
Good. Please send the final files before the end of the day.
Sure. We're working on the last part now.
Great. Let's make sure we deliver good quality work.
Absolutely.
Office renovation notice. Attention everyone, I have an important announcement.
Yes, what is it?
The office will undergo renovation next week.
Which days?
From Monday to Wednesday.
Will we work from home during that time?
Yes, all employees will work from home for 3 days.
Okay, that's helpful to know.
Please take your laptop and important files home on Friday.
Sure, thanks for the update.
No problem. We'll share more details soon.